Hi dear friends, this is your Gallant IAS and welcome to another session of Jotdown series. Today we are going to discuss about the Vadhavan port project. So why this is important to jot down? Because recently people in this region, specifically from Dahanu, were protested against this project. So this project is in news, and also in General Studies 3 under infrastructure a dedicated topic is there. So let's discuss about the Vadhavan port project. So it is a part of Center's Sagarmala initiative, and the JNPT, that is Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust, and the Maharashtra Maritime Board are development partners for this project. And also the Vadhavan port, which will be India's 13th major port, has been planned by the JNPT as an all-weather, all-cargo satellite port to enhance capabilities in handling deep draft ships and larger vessels. So the Vadhavan port will have a dedicated road and rail services so as not to interfere in with the local traffic, and thereby avoiding any issues within the local transportation. Also, the official said that the Vadhavan port has a natural draft of about 20 meters close to the shore, so it is accessible for bigger vessels. Also, the Vadhavan port will be developed on a landlord model. So in the landlord model, the publicly governed port authority act as a regulatory body and as a landlord, while the private companies carry out the port operations, mainly cargo handling activities. Also, an SPV will be formed with the JNPT as the lead partner. So the SPV means the special purpose vehicle will develop the port infrastructure, including the reclamation, construction of breakwaters, and establishing connectivity to the hinterland. So the special purpose vehicle is nothing but, it is also called a special purpose entity. So it is a subsidiary created by a parent company to isolate financial risk. Now let's check the concerns about this project. So Dahanu is a taluk in Maharashtra. So the Vadhavan is also part of this taluk. So the issue is that the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest had, under the provisions of the Environment Protection Act 1986, declared Dahanu as an ecologically fragile area and imposed restrictions on setting up of industries. So the ecologically fragile is nothing but is an extremely sensitive and highly vulnerable area. So the local people, including tribals, farmers, and residents of Vadhavan and nearby villages, came together to protest against the construction of the port at the Vadhavan. Also, the people said that the Dahanu was only one of the 3 places in India where the conches can be found. So this area is very important in the sense of ecological aspect. It is a very important part of marine ecosystem actually. Also, the people said that the survey team could not have carried out the survey without informing the Grama Panchayat of Vadhavan that passed a resolution against the proposed port in 2014. So this is the recent issues associated with this project. So before going to an end, let's discuss a model question. So the question is, explain the role played by Indian ports in the economic growth, and also discuss about the major issues related with the Indian ports here. So we can start with the importance of Indian ports in economic growth, and also in the second part we can briefly discuss about the issues. That time we can use the issues related with Vadhavan port as an example. So this is for today to jot down, and please keep supporting us, and thanks for watching.